Alright, hi everyone. So this is how we're going to fold an origami. So for this project and for this video, I'm going to show you how to fold one of your origami pieces. So I have a finished piece here in front of me. You can see the design, I'm already finished with that. What I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the design, but I'm going to flip it so that the design is upside down or not showing. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your origami piece and you're going to fold it in half and fold it nice and tightly. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and you're going to take one of your sides and you're going to then fold it towards that middle crease. Make sure that you press down nice and tight. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up so that these crease lines go horizontally in front of you. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your bottom right hand corner of your origami square. You're going to fold it in. You're going to crease it and you're going to line it up with this first folding line right here. You do the same thing, so you're going to turn it 180, do it to the bottom right hand corner too. It's right like that. Next, you're going to then fold these in. And then we're going to be looking at these empty spaces. So in these empty spaces are both kind of have these little flaps on the side here. You're going to take that flap and you're going to pull it up, because what we want to do is we want to make a crease from here to the top of here. So we're going to take that and we're going to kind of push it and pull it over that edge, kind of almost rolling it. And then we're going to then make a crease right there. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to take that edge, it's right where the empty space is, and we're going to pull it. We're going to pull it so we can make a crease from here to here. So we're going to pull it, pull it, pull it, almost so that it's not giving any more any over here. And just making sure that we press down on this line. Alright, so next what we're going to do is you can see there's these little flaps over these edges. And we're going to take these flaps and we're going to fold them down. So we're going to fold them down so then the fold aligns with the top portion here. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to take that top portion here, you're going to fold it down. So right now your piece should look like something like this. Now what we're going to do for the next step is, if you see these little triangles, we're going to go on one corner of the little triangle. We're going to take it in our fingers and we're going to pull it across all the way down to the other side to make one big triangle. Same thing with the other side. If you want to, it's better to turn it 180. You take that other corner where the small triangle is, take that corner, and you're going to pull it to the other side. Just like that. So now you should have something like a diamond shape. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosely just open it. And we're going to work with these flaps that we just made. Now what we're going to do is we're then going to take one of our flaps. So you can see I'm kind of pushing down the other side. And we're going to open the opposite side of this flap to place that inside of that area. And we're going to fold it in. We're going to do the same thing on this other side here. So we have this other flap that we made. We're going to tuck it in this area right here. So again, I'm going to tuck it in just like that. So your piece now should look like this. Now we're almost done. So the next step, you can kind of see that there's these little flaps here too. You're going to take that flap, you're going to then fold it so that this side and this side are parallel. So then you're going to then fold it over. Make sure that these sides are parallel. You're going to do it to the same thing to the other side. Just like that. Alright, so now what we're going to do, you can kind of see this crease that's already made for us where that little pocket is. And you're going to take your piece and you're going to fold it in half right on that line. So now this is what you have, something called a kitty cat face. You got 2 ears and you kind of got the head right here. So you're going to take one of the cat ears. You can see that there's a big triangle right in front of you. And you're going to fold it away and outwards. So that's going to be making it into a smaller triangle. Now if you turn it the other way, here's our big triangle again. So this is the other tip of the cat ear. And you're going to be folding it once more. Just like that. So again, give it a good press. Makes it more sturdy when you connect these together. And there you go. So your piece should look like something like this. So you should have this on the outside. You should have these pockets on the inside. And again, have another one on the outside. And these should just be plain on the inside. Okay, and there you have it. There's one of your pieces.